Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit training, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. We're back in our electrical model for our electrical building we were working on. So we're going to continue with the electrical here. This is a 3D view, and these are our light fixtures, and we got a utility bolt here that we're going to attach these with conduit. So I'm going to go into this drawing right here, and we've got all of our view filters set up and everything, so we can go in and place conduits. So I'm going to, like we did in the previous video, I'm going to select this. I'm going to draw a conduit from base, and I'm going to push this guy over, let's see, 1 foot. I should have did this earlier. Let me see, 1'9" maybe. Now let's make it a little more. Let's make it, see if we can make it 2 feet. Cause I need 3 I'm gonna try to get 4 in here. Okay, 2, 3. Yeah, let's go a little bit more. 3. See if we can get that in there. Good. Now I'm gonna finish this selection here. Now I want this to be emergency. We're going to run 4 different systems through here. We want to make this emergency high 277 480 above ground. It's going to be 4 inches. So I'm going to draw it, and I'm going to drop this guy down. I'm going to drop it down to here. I'm going to drop it down about 4 feet 1 inches. I'll make it 5'1" here. Now the important thing is we hit that vault, and then I'm going to just go this direction here, and I'm going to leave it there for now. Then I'm going to go into my 3D view here, and there's our conduit, and there's our vault that we want to get to. So in this instance, I'm going to go back into that section view, and I don't remember whether I'll go down 5'1", I think I did. Yeah, so at 5'1", I should be at the bottom. So I'm going to go back into my 3D view, and I'm going to draw a conduit from this point right here, the same thing, but this one is going to be underground high. So I'm going to go here, hit this connector, right click, and I'm going to draw my conduit. Okay. It won't let me do that from here. So what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to come here. Yep. And I'm going to draw it all the way over. See if that'll align with me for me. I'm going to just draw that there, and then I'm going to see if I can just draw a line here, a guideline, just something that I can make that point. Go to my annotate tab. Let me see, go to architecture tab. Model line from here. Okay, so I'm going to see, I can't, okay. I can go from there to there with a model line. Okay, so I'm going to bring this guy up to here. Shouldn't be this difficult. I'm going to draw a line here, draw a conduit up to here. And then I'm going to come all the way back, so if I can connect there. And I can, it says 5-inch connector, 2.6, so I'm going to go with the top one at -2.6, or I'm going to say okay. And so that's what happened. That went down a little lower than it wanted. Let me go back. If I go back and do that, let's see what happens if we go from here and then connect it. It will go at 1.6. Nope. We want to go back with the other one. Yep. Okay, so take it from here, and I want to go there at 1.6, at 2.6. Okay, now we have to do our fittings here because they're actually underground. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this guy, and in my type selector, I'm going to go with underground high for my fitting there, and here. Okay, now let's go back into that view, that section view, this one right here. And we might want to make this fine so we can kind of see what's going on here. Okay, now I'm going to do another one right here. I'm going to draw conduit from face. And this one, I'm going to take it over to, I'm going to say 8. That's good. And then I'm going to finish it. And then this one is going to come down to about here. Probably should go a little lower. I'm going to come down to, let's see if I can drop it down here. Yeah, I'm going to drop this down to 5.1. Now let's put it at 4. And then this is going to be underground. No, this is going to be above ground. Normal low. No, I'm going to make this normal low here. It could be whatever. It's over here for now. And I'm going to come right to here, this point. And then I'm going to take it across just to here. Now I've got some issues here with this. I might want to undo that one because that's not working properly. You just take this back. I'm going to undo that again right there. Let me do it. Okay, so I'm going to go here. Draw my conduit base, and I'm going to make this 1'8". Now I'll make it 1.6 because I'm going to just do 3 here. And then I'm going to go with the finish. And for this one, I'm going to make this normal high overhead. There and there. And I'll take it across just to this point. Now here, I'm going to go back into that 3D view. And there's that one. So I'm going to go to this one. I'm going to draw conduit here. Take this one to here. And then I'm going to go see if I can just connect it here with auto route. It put a junction box there. But I don't want a junction box, so I'm going to go back here. So I'm going to try to draw the conduit from here to there. That's not going to work for us, so I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to delete this out of here. And I'm going to draw it think we need to pull it over just a little bit more here. Yeah. And let's try to draw from this point here. Like that might work. It did. Now, again, we need to change the fittings to underground here. So I want to select this one. Okay, sorry about that. This is our normal high overhead, but these are going to be normal high underground. That one. This one as a fitting, normal high underground for our fitting. We got one there. And there. Sorry about that again, folks. Okay, so now we'll go back into our section view. And there we have our conduit placed. This as well, it's got to be underground. Because it's underground, normal high underground. So there we go. We just placed a couple of conduits, but we can do many more here. We can do these two, but they're gonna come over the top some kind of way. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. We're gonna carry on with this project and add some more conduits, but we used our view filter for this from previous exercises. Again, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. So there we go. We can do one from here, and we can take them up top. We can do parallel and whatever. So hey guys, thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Everybody, please subscribe and be safe. Thanks again. Bye.